DOLA Pro Advanced Customisation, Heel Raise EVA Edition. A heel raise is a wedge-shaped EVA addition. It is placed on the plantar surface of the orthotic shell at the heel, extending forward. It is placed with the thicker end of the wedge posteriorly, tapering to thin at the anterior edge. It can be used to increase the height of the rear of the orthotic with respect to the front, or, when a full-length raise, it can be applied to one orthotic, which will increase the height of one orthotic with respect to the other. The DOLA EVA heel raises are self-adhesive with 3M tape backing. They are available in two heights, 5mm short length and 10mm long length, in three sizes, small, medium and large. Selection of the heel raise size can be based on foot morphology, pathology, shoe and orthotic characteristics. The addition can be left as standard shape out of the packet or customised for length, width or angle. Heel raise positioning. A heel raise is placed on the plantar surface of the orthotic shell extending from the rear foot. Length options include the heel section only, from heel to midfoot, 3/4 length extending to the metatarsal heads, or full length. It is placed with the thicker end of the wedge at the posterior heel, tapering to thin as it moves forward, or it can remain the one thickness for full length. Treatment-directed testing. Treatment-directed testing of the heel raise is performed by placing the heel raise under the patient's shoeing sole or directly on the orthotic. From here you can assess the clinical effect, patient tolerance and comfort. Note: use hyperfix or strapping tape or place under the shoe insole to allow for adjustment during your treatment-directed testing. DOLA Pro Inbuilt Heel Raise. The DOLA Pro full-length orthotic has an inbuilt 4mm heel raise to help with sagittal plane facilitation during gait. DOLA Pro Flat Plantar Surface. All of our DOLA Pro models have a flat plantar surface, pre-reinforced. An orthotic with a stable flat plantar surface allows the addition of a heel raise without the need for extra reinforcement. Heel raise addition. Place the heel raise on the plantar surface with the wedge thicker posteriorly. The addition runs from the rear foot forward. Trim the sides with scissors or finish with a grinder. The heel raise height and length is as per prescription. Heel raise orthotic prescription. The modification of an orthotic shell with the addition of a heel raise is used to influence foot function and reduce symptoms of various pathologies. It can be used to raise the rear foot with respect to the forefoot, or raise one foot with respect to the other. It can help with sagittal plane function, leg length discrepancy, ankle equinus, various Achilles tendinopathies, in calcaneal apophysitis or severs, and can be used for orthotic adjustment. Treatment-directed testing is advised. It uses the material properties of EVA, shape of the pad, and position applied to influence function. Heel raise case examples. In this case example, a DOLA EVA 5mm heel raise was placed on the plantar surface of a full-length DOLA Pro orthotic at the heel. The stable flat plantar surface of the orthotic allowed the addition of the heel raise without the need for reinforcement. In this case example, a DOLA EVA 5mm heel raise was used to create a 4mm heel raise with a plantar grind on a size small full-length DOLA Pro orthotic. The prescription was completed with a pour-on arch pad, pour-on plantar film, and pink swirl EVA top cover. The prescription was used for a child with calcaneal apophysitis symptoms after successful treatment-directed testing and placed in their school shoes. In this case example, a DOLA EVA 5mm heel raise was used to create a 4mm heel raise with a plantar grind on a size medium full-length DOLA Pro orthotic. The prescription was completed with a pour-on full length, reverse Morton's extension, and DuraFit top cover. The prescription was used to aid in sagittal plane function at the ankle and forefoot. In this case example, a DOLA EVA 10mm heel raise was placed on the plantar surface of a full-length DOLA Pro size large at the heel. The stable flat plantar surface of the orthotic allowed the addition of the heel raise chairside with instant dispense. In this case example, EVA sheet was used to create a 3/4 length heel raise running from the heel to the metatarsals. The application of the raise to the left orthotic only was to address a leg length discrepancy. The stable flat plantar surface of the orthotic allowed easy addition of the custom raise. Heel raise addition in clinic. Adding a heel raise to an orthotic shell is a common in-clinic modification. The following video will show you how easy it is to add a heel raise addition in clinic to your orthotics.